we have 4x times the quantity 5x squared minus 6x minus 10, and we are going to multiply here, so we'll need the distributive property, which is where this 4x in the front goes through to all three of these terms inside the parentheses. Alright, so when we do that, we get 4x times 5x squared minus 4x times 6x minus 4x times 10. Alright, and then we need to combine these together to simplify them down. Note that when it's an x, it's actually an x to the 1. So we can take the 4 and the 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And then we have x to the 1 plus 2. Remember, x to the a, x to the b is x to the a plus b. That's how exponents work. So this would be x to the 1 plus 2, which is 3, minus 24x to the 1 plus 1, so x squared, minus 4 times 10 is 40, x. There we go. Let's try another one. Here we have negative x times the quantity 6y cubed minus 5xy squared plus x squared y minus 5x cubed. Alright, same idea. This negative x gets distributed through to each one of these terms in the parentheses, although now we have a little bit more complicated stuff going on with the y's and the x's and the exponents, but that's okay. So let's do it here. So we have negative x times 6y cubed. Here to the second term, the negatives are going to cancel out, leaving us with positive x 5xy squared. Okay, back to minus again, so minus x times x squared y. And finally, negative times a negative cancels out to become positive again, so plus 5x x cubed. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. So negative 6xy cubed. You want to write the coefficients out in front. It's not necessarily wrong the way it was written, but it's just not good form. You want the coefficient out in front of your variables in cases like this. All right, plus 5, x to the 1 plus 1 is x squared, y squared, minus, all right, x to the 1 plus 2 is x cubed, y, plus 5x to the 1 plus 3 is x to the 4th. And then we give it one last look to make sure we can't combine any like terms. We cannot, so that's our final answer right there.